Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Matic from Revolut to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens from Revolut to Trust Wallet for more control or better staking options, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app installed on your phone and that you're logged in. Open it up and head to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen, easy to find. Once you're there, locate your Matic balance. If you don't see it, search for Matic or Polygon in the search bar. Next, tap on your Matic holdings and select the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where you'll need your Trust Wallet address ready. Don't have it? Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the Matic network, which is based on Polygon, and copy the wallet address from there. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Revolut, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs before confirming. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication, to complete the transaction. Once that's done, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Give it a minute or two. The blockchain might take a bit to process. You should see your Matic tokens appear in your wallet shortly. Awesome, right? This whole process usually takes just a few minutes, but keep an eye on gas fees, especially with Ethereum-based networks like Polygon. In 2025, things might be even smoother with potential updates to Revolut's interface, so stay tuned for the latest. If you run into any issues, Revolut's support or crypto communities on Reddit can be super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you next time.